Hello, everyone. Welcome to this third workshop of the MORPHO project. This third workshop is focused on the recycling part, advances in laser shock techniques and carbon fiber recovery from composite materials. Today with us, we have five presentations, five presenters. Three of them are from the MORPHO project, our partners in the project who have been working in this project since the beginning. And we have also two presenters from external projects that are working in the same field, that are the Recarbon project and also the Eurocom project. So I wanted also to explain to you that while this MORPHO project has been running since 2021, and then next year in January, we are organizing the final conference. This workshop, it's part of these disseminations activities that we are organizing at this time, and it will culminate with this conference that will be held the 30th of January in Vigo, Spain. So this is an open invitation for you to join us there as well, if you wish to. And also, as part of this final conference, we will have poster exhibition in which all of you are welcome if you are working on in any field link to the project to submit your poster to be part of this exhibition.